Next, we will explain the installation position of the probe. Inside the unit, the connected pipe is the exhaust pipe. There is insulation cotton at this position of the exhaust pipe. This is an exhaust probe. This tube is for inhalation. This is the position of the probe. The pipe that enters the condenser at the bottom. This position is the probe for condensation temperature. On the back of the condenser, a probe placed outside the machine. Environmental temperature probe. Next, we will begin demonstrating the replacement of the probe. Take a new sensor probe. Replace the new probe with the corresponding position. Taking exhaust probe as an example, pull out the old probe. Insert the new sensor probe into it. Then the other end of the probe. It is such a plug-in. Find the top motherboard of the unit. For example, taking the exhaust plug. Find the corresponding plug-in location. Pull out the old exhaust probe plug. Insert a new probe plug. Correspondingly, if replacing other probes, just find the corresponding plug-in and replace it.